English Retelling Extended Version. Block 1. Even though the flowers are blooming and the sun warms up the earth, cold-blooded alien isn't happy. He is stuck on our planet with uncompleted mission. He discovered that in winter frozen sodas may simply explode in a truck. He finds it disgusting. He killed the doctor who owned the cabin by the lake. This remote location helped the alien creature to adapt to the human form he took as a disguise. He learned human body and verbal languages. He perfectly mimics human behavior now. He stayed for weeks or even months at the cabin. He's been learning and practicing human tricks there ever since. The alien looks exactly like the retired doctor. He even learned how to fish. Block 2. The alien spaceship has crashed in the middle of nowhere. He managed to reach a tiny town 3 hours from the nearest city on roads that are impassable half of the year. He had to survive in order to finish his mission. His mission was to destroy human race. Nobody in their right mind would live in a place like this unless they have something to hide. So he found a perfect spot to carry out his deadly plan. Local police paid him a visit. There was a murder in town last night. The police chief, whom everybody called Big Black, asked the alien to perform an autopsy on a dead town doctor body. Big Black told Harry that he was funny. Chief's deputy said, "You can just call me Liv." Disguise worked well. Block 3. The victim is the town doctor. That's the thing. The town had no other doctors. So they needed Harry the alien to take a look at the body. Harry the alien didn't choose to stay on Earth. Neil Armstrong became the first human to step on their moon. He said he wasn't chosen to be first. It was merely circumstance. Circumstance put him in the pilot seat on that mission, and circumstances pulled Harry the alien from the pilot seat on his spaceship.